Kiki and Kyle in the new pond, Skylar. Uh-oh, Grandpa T put 2 fish in there. Are they going to find them? Come on. The fish are?
Yeah.
They'll swim into... Uh-oh.
Did you see it? He sees it.
Kyle is quicker than Kiki.
Well, they're both down there. Who knows, there's something in the water.
Uh-oh. Come on, kids. Trying to eat the fish.
Right up at the top, you think we can get them?
They're so busy. They're so busy swimming.
He sees it.
He's chasing it? Is he? Did he get it? No. He didn't get it. It's too big of a pond. The fish may outlast the duck. Come on, Kiki.
Oh. Gotta get it. Right there.
They'll get them when they're done taking a bath, I guess.
I think they'd see him swimming in there.
I think when the water settles down. Oh yeah, he's looking. He's looking. Get over there and get it. Come on, you knucklehead. Oh my goodness.
I don't see one right now.
I don't see it. Come on, kids. Soup's on. I'm running out of film, ducks. Kiki. Maybe it's too big for him. Oh. Did you see it? He's looking.
Watching it.
Maybe he's getting too many reflections. Or the fish dives deep.
Yeah, he's down way on the bottom down there.
Yeah, he'll make a mistake. Hear that rooster? That rooster is one of the chickens that Grandpa T put in the incubator.
Way down on the bottom. Here to the top. Oh, he found him. He started chasing him.
Did he?
Yeah, there's one still over here. He's looking for him. He knows they're in there. They can smell from it.
Come on, you guys. You're going to let that fish outsmart you. Is he following it? Oh, look at that.
There he is back down there. I only see the one in there. Maybe they've got one already. We didn't even see it.
Oh, that's possible. They're kind of quick.
Must have, because I only see the one in there.
There's the rooster. He needs a name, Skylar. Name him.
Well, we must have got one.
One is missing. They ate it, and we didn't even catch him. There's one left. Who's who? Yep.